Tired of copy-pasting AI code? Claude Code just invaded your terminal. Fully autonomous.
For years, AI coding assistants lived in a browser tab. You pasted code in, copied the response, and manually applied the fix. Now, the model has moved directly into your local terminal environment. This is Claude Code. It is a terminal-native, autonomous coding engine designed to execute tasks directly on your machine. Standard language models are strictly reactive. They generate a block of text, stop, and wait for your next prompt. They cannot take action on the code they suggest. Claude Code operates on an agentic loop. The system cycles through gathering context, executing tools, and verifying results. The loop begins by gathering context. The agent autonomously reads your directories and file structure. Next is the execution phase. Claude executes bash commands and file edits directly, manipulating the code. Finally, it verifies its work. It reads the execution outputs, and if a test fails, it feeds the error back to course correct. This loop allows for the creation of entire software features from scratch. You describe the objective in plain English, and the agent plans the logic and writes the implementation. The same logic applies to maintenance. Paste in an error log, and the agent will trace the bug across multiple files, or independently resolve deep Git merge conflicts. Placing an autonomous loop inside your local environment targets the friction of the development cycle. It allows for continuous code updates and test execution without requiring constant manual intervention. Running this agent requires specific environmental conditions. It is engineered for cross-platform compatibility across macOS, Linux, and Windows systems. On Windows, the system requires WSL or Git Bash to ensure an optimal execution environment for Bash-based tools. You initiate the boot sequence via a native curl script or PowerShell command, installing the agent directly into your local path. This native installation method is the recommended path. It includes built-in background auto-updating to keep the agent on the latest version without manual checks. You can alternatively utilize third-party package managers like Homebrew or Winget. These methods introduce operational overhead, as they require you to manually run upgrade commands to receive the latest features. Once installed, the agent remains locked behind strict authentication requirements. Activation requires an active paid Claude Pro, Team, or Enterprise subscription. Alternatively, you can use an Anthropic console account with billing explicitly enabled for API token usage. This local install framework moves the AI out of the browser. It functions as a secure, professional infrastructure component integrated into your existing workflow. Every session begins with a scan. The agent maps your root directory to build a complete project topology. It also reads your current Git state, absorbing your branch history and uncommitted changes before it takes any action. To retain persistent architectural rules across sessions, the system looks for a file in your root directory named Claude.md. This file serves as the static memory foundation. It stores your custom instructions, architectural conventions, and strict operational rules for the project. Because this file is committed to your repository, it forces the AI to adhere to these rules consistently across every developer session. While Claude.md provides static constraints, the agent also manages dynamic memory. Every file read and tool execution fills the active context window. As the conversation grows, data accumulates. Prolonged debugging tasks can eventually threaten the maximum token limit. When the context window is overwhelmed, response quality can degrade as the model attempts to track too much uncompressed information. Combining persistent architectural rules with dynamic context awareness addresses the problem of long-term memory loss. The agent stays grounded in your rules while focusing on the immediate task. To manage the volume of dynamic data, the system uses a mechanic called compaction. When the context window reaches 95% capacity, the agent automatically triggers compaction to summarize the history. Developers can also use the /compact command as a manual trigger. This ensures the agent maintains a focused context for the next objective. Compaction is distinct from a full clear command. It preserves the nuances of your decisions and the project context, rather than wiping the session history. Safety is the second priority. To mitigate the risks of autonomous editing, the system utilizes a checkpoint mechanism. The agent is hard-coded to create a snapshot of your files immediately before it performs any edit. If a change is incorrect, the /rewind command or double escape keystroke allows you to reverse edits and return to the previous snapshot state. You further control the session through CLI flags. You can use --model to swap reasoning engines, or the -p flag for non-interactive task execution. During a session, /commands provide real-time status. /cost tracks your token expenditure, while /statusline monitors background tasks. Operating an autonomous system in production requires these safeguards. Rigid memory boundaries and instant undo states allow the agent to work with higher degrees of independence. The agent interfaces with your local machine through foundational file operation tools. The read capability allows for the ingestion of code, system logs, architectural diagrams, and even PDFs to gather necessary technical context. The write capability uses precise string replacement algorithms. It allows the agent to surgically alter code without overwriting untouched portions of a file. To find the correct insertion points, the agent uses grep to execute rapid, regex-based searches for specific content within your files. It combines this with glob for high-level pattern matching, locating specific files across massive, nested directory structures. For deep code intelligence, the system utilizes a language server protocol tool. By analyzing abstract syntax trees, the LSP tool grants the agent true go-to-definition and find references capabilities. Upgrading from text-based searches to structural LSP awareness enables the agent to navigate unfamiliar codebases with the precision of a senior engineer. Operational authority is handled by the execution layer tools. The bash tool allows the agent to run shell commands, spin up local servers, and execute complex test suites directly in your terminal. Because shell access is centrative, the bash tool is throttled by a permission-based sandbox, requiring your explicit approval for command execution. To manage multi-step operations, the agent uses an internal cognitive framework called the to-do-write tool. To-do-write forces the agent to break massive tasks down into smaller steps, tracking them sequentially from pending to completed. Effective interaction requires defining concrete verification targets. Providing a test case or expected output ensures the agent can verify its own success. For complex architectural changes, you can use plan mode. This forces the agent to map out its intended approach for your approval before it writes any code. You can also interrupt the agent at any point. If the logic begins to deviate, you can steer the agent mid-task to course-correct the implementation. By combining secure execution with context-aware planning, Claude Code performs the manual file edits and terminal operations required for a task. The developer defines the objective, and the agent executes the sequence to complete it.
Claude Code turns your terminal into an AI coding powerhouse. The future of development is here. Like if you're trying this, subscribe to the AI Update Pro, comment below for more AI breakthroughs.